after I found out about the loss of life, that really hit home. It touched me in a way that no other news about a tornado has touched me, so that's why.
With that in mind, I'd really like everybody to focus on our goal of being safe. So in order to be safe, we have a number of riders out today.
When I first started this thing, I said, I have a goal of trying to raise $1 million. And if I get there, that's super. If I don't, that's super too. Simply because even if I don't reach that goal, I've made the rest of the country aware of what has happened here. This is for the state. And we as Alabamians got to keep our name out there and our state out there in a positive manner. And not only that, bring awareness to the rest of the country of how devastating these tornadoes are, because it looks like they are getting more frequent and they're getting more destructive. I'm not Tour de France material, but I'm definitely Tour Alabama material right now. So I'm looking forward to it.